Try this for a second. Don't tell me. Don't write it down, just think of the one thing weighing on you most right now. Got it? Allah already knew you'd think of that exact thing before you did. Not because He guessed well, because nothing about you is a guess to Him. Let's talk about what that actually means for the next few minutes. Imagine walking into a doctor's office, panicked, trying to describe symptoms. You barely understand yourself, and the doctor stops you and says, "I already have your test results. I know exactly what's wrong and exactly what you need." That would change everything about how you sit in that room. You'd stop fumbling for the right words and just listen. That's closer to your relationship with Allah than you think. You walk into dua fumbling for the right words, unsure how to explain the mess inside you, and He already has the full picture. You don't need the perfect explanation. You just need to sit down and listen. Here's an uncomfortable one. What you want and what you actually need don't always match. And that's not a flaw in the system. That's the entire point of trusting Him over yourself. You want the job offer? He knows you need the version of you that gets built while waiting for it. You want the relationship to work out. He knows you need to stop settling for less than you deserve. It's not that He's ignoring your list. It's that He's working off a different one with better handwriting than yours. You woke up today and maybe felt blindsided by something, a wave of sadness, a hard conversation, a bill, a diagnosis, a silence from someone you love. It felt sudden to you. It wasn't sudden to Him. He wasn't caught off guard. This morning, scrambling to figure out what you need, this day, exactly as hard as it's been, was never a surprise on His end. Which means the help for it isn't being improvised either. Fair question. If He already knows, why does dua matter at all? Because dua was never a briefing. It was never you updating Allah on your situation. It's you choosing to stop holding it alone. The information doesn't change. Your posture does, from someone gripping a problem in silence to someone finally setting it down in front of the one who already understands it completely. Tonight, don't try to explain everything perfectly. You don't need to. Just say, "You know what this is. You know what I need. I don't." That's not weakness. That's the most honest prayer you'll say all week. Whatever's sitting on your chest right now, He already has the full picture. You're the only one still confused by it. Comment. He knows if this landed exactly when you needed it. And if someone comes to mind who's been carrying something alone, send this to them. Allah Hafiz.